Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to batch convert audio files in Audacity. If you need to convert multiple audio files to another format like MP3 or WAV, you don't have to convert them one by one. Audacity's macro feature lets you process them all automatically. Let's get started. First, open Audacity. Click Tools at the top. Then select Macro Manager. Here you will see the available macros, including MP3 conversion by default. To create the new one, click New. Enter the name for your macro. Then click OK. Next, click Insert. Choose the export action you want, such as export as MP3 or export as WAV. Then click OK. Your macro is now ready. If you want to change where your converted files are saved, click Edit. Then select Preferences. Open the Directories section. Choose the folder where you want Audacity to save the converted files. Then click OK. Now let's bulk convert your audio files. Click Tools. Then select Macro Manager. Select your macro. Click Files. Browse to the folder that contains your audio files. Select all the files you want to convert. Then click Open. Audacity will automatically process each file using the macro you created. Depending on the number of files and your computer's performance, this may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, open your output folder. You will find all of your converted audio files saved there. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to batch convert multiple audio files in Audacity using macros. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.